go to work for Todd's Auto Repair.
Yeah, you could.
Tired,
Hey,
man.
stop to the Willie.
Get it fixed?
I'll help.
Hammer, man. Delicious. Good stuff.
Get it fixed?
Yeah.
Alright. Take it out for a drive, see if it works. Hop in, take it for a drive.
Uba, uba.
Get it fixed?
Yeah.
You sure? Look underneath. Is it leaking?
Look under here. Look under the hood, buddy. Hunter.
Man.
Look.
Steering wheel work?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Should I?
Yeah. Be careful. Good idea. I don't think he's got enough to clean.